In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an LLC in the United States as a non-US resident or foreigner, step by step, and I'll break down everything you need to know in 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to Biz Builders, your go-to source for everything business formation and entrepreneurship. Now, if you're watching this from outside the US, you might be wondering, can I even start an LLC in America if I'm not a citizen or don't live there? The answer is yes, you absolutely can. In fact, thousands of non-US residents form LLCs in the US every year to do business online, sell on Amazon, work with US clients, or just take advantage of the US market and legal protections. But let's be honest, the process can seem confusing if you're not familiar with US paperwork, tax rules, or which state to choose. There's a lot of conflicting advice out there and it's easy to get overwhelmed. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to form your LLC as a non-US resident, which states are best, what documents you need, how to get a US bank account, and how to avoid the most common mistakes that trip up foreigners. If you want to skip to a specific section, check the timestamps below. And if you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more business formation guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions about LLCs for non-US residents. And if you want to get your LLC started the quick and easy way, I've got an exclusive discount link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description. So let's start with the basics. Can you form an LLC in the US if you're not a citizen or don't live here? The answer is yes. There's no requirement to be a US citizen or even a US resident to form an LLC in any state. You don't need a social security number, you don't need a US address, and you don't need to visit the US in person. You can own 100% of your LLC as a foreigner, and you can have as many members as you want. The process is almost exactly the same as it is for US residents, with just a few extra steps for things like getting a tax ID and opening a bank account. Now, why would you want to form an LLC in the US as a non-resident? Well, there are a few big reasons. First, credibility. Having a US LLC makes you look more professional to US clients, partners, and platforms. It's much easier to work with US companies, get paid, and sign contracts if you have a US business entity. If you want to sell on Amazon.com, Shopify, or work with US-based payment processors like Stripe or PayPal, having a US LLC makes the process much smoother. Third, legal protection. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business, so if something goes wrong, your personal finances are protected. And finally, tax flexibility. Depending on your business and where you live, you may be able to minimize your US tax liability by forming an LLC in a no-income tax state and properly structuring your business. So which state should you choose? For most non-US residents, the best options are Wyoming, Delaware, or New Mexico. Wyoming is probably the most popular. There's no state income tax, low filing fees, strong privacy protections, and minimal ongoing requirements. Delaware is great if you plan to raise investment or want the gold standard in business law, but it's a bit more expensive with its annual franchise tax. New Mexico is the cheapest with the $50 filing fee and no annual reports, but it's less well known to banks and payment processors. If you don't have a physical presence in the US, you don't need to form your LLC in the state where your customers are. You can pick any state, but Wyoming is usually the best all-around choice for non-residents. All right, let's get into the step-by-step process. I'll use Wyoming as the main example, but the process is almost identical in Delaware and New Mexico. First, you'll need to choose a unique name for your LLC that meets the state's requirements. You can check name availability on the Secretary of State's website for the state you're interested in. It's smart to have a couple of backup names just in case your first choice is taken. Next, you'll need a registered agent with a physical address in the state. This is absolutely crucial. The registered agent's information will be public, but your name won't be. If you don't live in the state, you'll need to hire a registered agent service. This is where a company like Northwest Registered Agent comes in. They specialize in helping non-US residents and have real offices in all the key states. And after that, you'll file your articles of organization or certificate of formation online or by mail. You'll provide your LLC name, registered agent info, business address, which can be your registered agent's address for privacy, and management structure. The filing fee is usually between $50 and $150 depending on the state. Once your LLC is approved, you'll want to get an EIN from the IRS. This is your business's tax ID number, and it's free if you do it yourself online. However, as a non-US resident, you can apply for an EIN online. You'll need to fill out a Form SS4 and fax or mail it to the IRS. If you use a service like Northwest, they can help you with this step. You'll also want to create an operating agreement. Even if you're a single member LLC, this document is important for clarifying ownership and protecting your business. After that, you'll want to open a US business bank account. This is the trickiest part for non-residents. Some US banks require you to visit in person, person, but there are now online banks and fintech companies that let foreigners open accounts remotely if you have your LLC documents and EIN. Mercury and Wise are two popular options for international entrepreneurs. Now let's be honest, most people don't want to spend their time reading state statutes or worrying about missing a step, especially if you're not familiar with the US paperwork. That's where Northwest Registered Agent comes in. If you want the quickest and easiest way to form your LLC as a non-US resident, Northwest is honestly the best option I've found. Here's how it works. You just click the link in the description or pinned comment below, and it takes you straight to their LLC formation page. You select your state, Wyoming, Delaware, or New Mexico, enter your business name, fill in your details, and Northwest automatically sets themselves up as your registered agent. You can add extras like EIN filing or an operating agreement if you want, review everything, and submit your order. Northwest handles the actual filing with the state, and you can track everything from your dashboard while your LLC gets approved. The whole process on your end takes less than 10 minutes, and you don't have to worry about missing a step or making a mistake. Their pricing is transparent, they're not pushy with their upsells, and their customer service is actually helpful if you have questions. They also send you compliance reminders for annual reports and other deadlines, so you don't have to worry about missing anything important down the road. If you want to save time, avoid paperwork, and make sure your LLC is set up correctly and privately, Northwest Registered Agent is honestly the fastest and easiest way to do it. Now, let's talk about taxes, because this is where a lot of non-US residents get confused. If your LLC is disregarded for tax purposes, meaning it's a single member LLC owned by a non-resident, and you don't have any US sourced income or US employees, you may not owe US federal income tax. But you still need to file an annual tax return form 5472 and a pro forma 1120 with the IRS. If your LLC has US sourced income, US clients, or employees in the US, you may owe US taxes. You'll also need to file state annual reports and pay any state fees. It's a good idea to talk to a US accountant who understands international tax issues to make sure you're compliant. And remember, you'll still need to pay taxes in your home country on your LLC's profits, depending on your local laws. Let's talk about some common mistakes I see non-US residents make when it comes to LLCs. One big mistake is using your own name or address anywhere in the formation documents. Even if the state doesn't require it, if you list yourself as the organizer or use your home address, your info could end up on the public record. Always use your registered agent's address and let them act as the organizer if possible. Another mistake is not getting an EIN. Without an EIN, you can't open a US bank account or get paid by US platforms. Make sure you apply for one as soon as your LLC is approved. A lot of people also forget about ongoing compliance. Every state has annual or biannual reports, franchise taxes, or other requirements. Missing these can cost you big time and penalties and headaches. And finally, don't assume that forming a US LLC means you can avoid taxes in your home country. You'll still need to report your income and pay taxes where you live. So is a US LLC right for every non-US resident? Honestly, not always. If you're selling to US customers, working with US clients, or want to use US payment processors, a US LLC is a great move. But if you're only doing business in your home country, it might not be worth the extra paperwork and costs. If you're serious about building a global business, want to protect your personal assets, and want to look professional to US partners and platforms, a US LLC is the way to go. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up so other entrepreneurs can find it. Subscribe to Biz Builders for more business formation guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions about LLCs for non-US residents or want to share your experience. And remember, if you want to get your LLC started the quick and easy way, use our special discount link for Northwest Registered Agent in the description or pinned comment below the video. Thanks for watching, and here's to building your business globally the smart way in 2026. See you in the next video.